In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get summer seed packs inside of Grow a Garden on Roblox. Now, it's very simple to do, just pay attention closely and you'll know exactly what to do if you want to get them. So, inside of this game, there's two primary ways that you can do it. Now, one of them is very easy and one of them not so easy, but it's free. So, first of all, of course, if you want to go ahead and get them, you can do it via the paid method. And so the paid method, you're going to have to go onto here, click on the shop, and you can go ahead here and you can get the different packs here. So exotic summer seed pack right here, you can go ahead and purchase this. And you can see here that you have a 1% chance to get one of these items. And for one pack, it's 199 Robux. So if you want to, you can go ahead and purchase that, or you can purchase 3, or you can even go ahead and purchase 10 packs if that's something you'd like to do. So that's very simple. You just need to load your account with Robux and you can go ahead and do that. Now, for people that don't want to pay for it and want to do it for free, there's another way you can do it, and it requires you to grind the game a little bit. Essentially over here, what you've got is you've got the summer harvest, and this happens every hour, I believe. And every hour, basically what you're going to do is you're going to submit as many plants as you can into here, and it's going to give you a random reward. So we can go here and see the random rewards you can get. All of these ones, and over here what you'll notice is you've got the summer seed pack, and essentially every hour you can go ahead and you can work towards this goal here, and then you have a chance of getting one of them. If you go speak to this person here, she'll tell you a bit more, explain the summer harvest, work together and submit summer fruit during the summer harvest. More fruit means more rewards for everyone. So basically put as much fruit as you can in here, and every hour once you submit it, see, it hasn't started yet. Once you submit it, you'll get a chance of getting one of these packs over here. So that's the two ways you can go ahead and do it. It's very, very simple, and it's all part of the game, really. Now, as I said, if you don't want to wait and you don't want to have to grind it out, you can instantly do it here by purchasing Robux. So you can cop 199 here, or you can buy more. But yeah, it's really as simple as that to do. If you found this video useful, be sure to go ahead down below, like and subscribe. That would really help me out. And let me know any other videos you would like me to make about Roblox. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.